Once upon a time in the bustling town of Vroomville, cars of all kinds zoomed about day and night. There were small cars, big cars, and even stripy cars. In this town, there lived a shiny red car named Benny. Benny was a cheerful little car who loved to go on adventures. His best friend was a trusty old blue truck called Tommy. Tommy may have been a bit rusty, but his heart was as strong as his engine. One sunny morning, Benny and Tommy heard exciting news. The Grand Car Parade was coming to Vroomville. All cars big and small were invited to join in the fun. "Oh, Tommy," beeped Benny. "I've always wanted to be in the parade. Let's join and show everyone our best moves." Tommy wobbled with excitement. "I'll bring my famous horn tunes, and you can dazzle everyone with your daring spins." As the day of the parade arrived, cars started gathering on Main Street. There was Confetti, the colourful convertible who could change her colours with the flip of a switch. Then there was Giggle Glide, the green electric car, always giggling and gliding smoothly. Benny and Tommy lined up with the others, ready for the parade to begin. The air buzzed with excitement, filled with the sound of honks, beeps, and cheerful engines. The mayor, a grand old limousine named Lady Lizzie, blew her golden horn to start the parade. Off they went, down the winding roads of Vroomville, with confetti flying and balloons floating high. Benny spun around with joy, twirling in circles and winking at the excited spectators. Tommy played his lively horn tunes, making everyone tap their feet in rhythm. As they reached the town square, a surprise awaited them. There was a giant ramp set up, all covered in shimmering lights. "Wow, look at that! It's the parade's grand finale!" exclaimed Benny. "Let's do it, Benny!" Tommy beeped, his lights flashing with enthusiasm. With a rev of engines and a cheer from the crowd, Benny, Tommy, and all their parade friends zoomed up the ramp, one after another. Benny did a fantastic loop-the-loop, while Tommy honked energetically. As the sun began to set, the cars finished their dazzling display. The crowd erupted in applause. Benny and Tommy felt proud and happy for being part of such a wonderful event. The parade ended with a warm and cozy gathering at the park, where all the cars shared their parade stories and treats. Benny and Tommy knew that no matter what, their adventures together would always be the best. And from that day on, every year, the cars of Vroomville looked forward to the Great Car Parade, where friends and fun were the fuel for joy.